Everyone, so I see a lot of cloud cover out here. Although the current conditions say it's sunny, we all know better than that. Okay, it is 62 degrees though, so at least I got that right. Dew point humidity, surprisingly not too bad despite this kind of overcast conditions hanging around. Pressure is relatively normal, not necessarily high, but not necessarily low. Winds are the only thing keeping us a bit warmer than this time yesterday. We barely hit that 60-degree mark. As a matter of fact, we didn't hit that 60-degree mark. But here we are now, even warmer than yesterday. A lot of this cloud cover is coming in from a small scale system out to the west. It's bringing a little bit of that very high elevation rain. None of it is really actually making its way to the ground. I mean, you can even see on the key right here just how light it is. Overnight tonight, what can we really expect? Well, I can expect more of that cloud cover and those southeasterly winds staying decently strong, sustained about 15 miles an hour. So that should keep us about 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of year. At the end of the day, I can't really complain too much. So what can you expect going into your Wednesday? Pretty similar conditions actually, possibly even warmer, getting up to likely about 66 degrees. I say it's enough for long sleeves and some tennis shoes. No need for sunglasses or the hat, just because of how windy it's going to be and how cloudy it's going to be. Is it going to be as windy as the weekend? No, not nearly as much. Your trash can, likely little to no movement, maybe even tipped over nearby, depending on if you get a strong enough wind gust. Typically, trash cans start to move at around 25 to 30 miles an hour. And yeah, we're expecting gusts getting up to about 30, maybe even 35. So we're going to keep an eye on it. A lot of this cloud cover is just going to be hanging right over top of us. Strong enough winds coming from the southeast will actually fuel a little bit of rain just outside of our region. It's going to try. It's really going to try to move into our region. I still have less than 10% coverage. Sure, certainly maybe our northern counties might see an isolated sprinkle going into overnight Wednesday into early on Thursday, but that's about it. Westerly winds take over by then, so what can we expect? Nice clear skies basically for the rest of the week. Temperature wise, we're pretty mild. I can't really complain about this at all. We do have another cold front coming in over the weekend, Saturday night into Sunday. What does that mean for us? Maybe a 10-degree temperature drop. Okay, we've dealt with far worse than that. Maybe an isolated chance of some showers, then it warms up and clears out entirely going into early next week. Jolena?